In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective way to modify the borders of a table in Microsoft Word. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to clean up the appearance of a table for presentations, reports, or just about any document where aesthetics matter. Let's dive right in. First, the task begins with heading to the Microsoft Word file where your table is located. Open up that document and navigate to the specific page or section containing your table. If your document is lengthy, use the navigation pane or scroll through it manually to locate your content with ease. It's important to be sure you're working on the correct table as we go through this process, especially if your document contains multiple tables. Once you've found your table, the next step is to click and hold your mouse to drag over the entire table. This action will highlight or select the table, making sure that any changes we apply will affect the entire table. It's crucial during this step to drag from one corner of the table to the opposite corner, capturing all rows and columns to ensure nothing is left unselected. After successfully highlighting the table, look towards the top of your Word window for the Table Design tab. This tab appears as a ribbon and gives you a plethora of options to customize your table's design, from its color theme to border styles. This is our main area of interest for today's task, so go ahead and click on Table Design to unveil these options. Under the Table Design tab, you will notice a section dedicated to borders. Borders play a significant role in delineating the contents of your table and can help in maintaining a clean structure or creating a more open, minimalistic look, depending on your needs. Locate the Borders option, which is usually accompanied by a small downward arrow indicating a drop-down menu. On clicking this drop-down menu, you'll be presented with various border modification choices. Here is where you can customize the borders to your heart's desire. For those who prefer a table without visible lines, select No Border from the menu. This action will effectively remove all the lines from the table, giving it a sleek, borderless appearance. And there you have it, you're done. Your table should now reflect the changes you've made. This borderless look can give your document a modern feel. But remember, you can always return to the Borders menu and reapply borders if you change your mind. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to repeat this process until it becomes second nature. I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your document styling skills. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on document design and functionality.